Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Charger SXT in Tour Red. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, gloss black fascia applique, 17-inch aluminum wheels, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 62,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, heated second row seating, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7112.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.